As I get right on that, he starts to notice that and he squirms a little bit. It's pretty common, he knows something's up. And as it lets go, he lets go. And everything is nice and peaceful. So Stefan here is about 7 weeks old, and he did have a little bit of a tongue tie when he was born. Was causing his mom quite a bit of pain while breastfeeding after his first treatment early on when he was born, and after the tongue tie was corrected, that got a lot better. And so today we're just doing some very traditional cranial osteopathy, or what some people call cranial sacral treatment or cranial sacral therapy for him. And so really what I'm doing now is working on his hips, both his leg and his pelvis and his sacrum or tailbone area. And I'm using my fingers and using his body weight as they rest on my fingers with very precisely placed fingers, and allowing his body and gravity to actually bring about the correction. And so what you can see here is that this little guy is just splayed out and relaxed. He's asleep, laying on a cold treatment table, but tolerating the treatment quite well. So now we will spin this guy around and work on his head. And this is exactly the same treatment like we have been doing. And so in his case, we have just a little bit of tension on the right side that we're working on, and as we get close, as I get right on that, he starts to notice that and he squirms a little bit. It's pretty common, he knows something's up. And as it lets go, he lets go. And so now I'm just going to change my hands slightly. We're almost done. So his breathing pick up there. And there we go. As you can see, very gentle technique, very well tolerated. Got a little smile there. Even on a sleeping baby on a cold table, tolerated quite well. So you get osteopathic treatment. Really, all kids can benefit from, particularly for those that had some sort of difficult birth process, colic, they're crying all the time, difficulty sleeping. Reflux, recurrent ear infections. All right, son. Oh. Now he's like, Mom, I'm just gonna curl up on Dad.